Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm so glad you could join us today. If you're excited to learn something new, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic in the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, zero-shot learning. So, grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's explore this intriguing concept together. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered how machines can understand and classify things they've never actually seen before? I mean, it sounds pretty incredible, right? Well, that's exactly what zero-shot learning is all about. Let's break it down. So, what is zero-shot learning? In simple terms, zero-shot learning is a machine learning paradigm where a model is trained to recognize objects, concepts, or tasks it has never encountered during training. It's like teaching a child about animals they've never seen in real life just by describing them. For example, if you tell a child about a zebra, its black and white stripes, and that it's similar to a horse, they can understand what a zebra is, even if they've never seen one before. That's the essence of zero-shot learning. Now, let's break down the components of zero-shot learning. There are three essential elements: the source domain, the target domain, and the attributes or features that link the two. This is where the model learns from. For instance, if we train a model on cats and dogs, this becomes our source domain. This is where the model needs to perform without any prior examples. Imagine needing to classify animals like zebras or giraffes that the model has never seen before. These are the descriptions or characteristics that help in bridging the gap between the source and target domains. In our animal example, we could describe a zebra with attributes like striped, four-legged, and similar to a horse. By understanding these components, the model can make educated guesses about new classes based on their descriptions or attributes. Now, let's see how this works in practice. One of the most famous applications of zero-shot learning is in natural language processing, particularly with models like GPT-3 and BERT. These models can generate text, answer questions, and even translate languages without having been explicitly trained on specific tasks. For instance, if you asked a zero-shot model to translate a sentence from English to French, it can often provide a pretty accurate translation, even if it hasn't seen that exact sentence before. This is because it understands the underlying rules and structures of both languages, thanks to its training on large datasets. Research has shown that zero-shot learning can significantly reduce the need for labeled datasets. According to a study published in 2020, zero-shot learning can achieve up to 80% accuracy in certain tasks without any additional training data. This is a game changer, especially in fields where obtaining labeled data is costly or time-consuming, like medical imaging or autonomous driving. Let's consider another example: image classification. Imagine a model trained to identify various breeds of dogs but tasked with identifying a brand new breed it has never seen before, like a Dogo Argentino. Instead of failing, a zero-shot learning model can recognize the Dogo Argentino based on its descriptions, like its size, color, and physical features compared to the breeds it has already learned about. This capability is incredibly useful in fields like wildlife conservation, where new species are constantly being discovered. Of course, like any technology, zero-shot learning comes with its own set of challenges. Some advantages include reduced data requirements. You don't need extensive labeled datasets for every new task. Flexibility. It can adapt to new tasks and categories on the fly. However, there are challenges, such as reliability. The accuracy can vary depending on how well the attributes are defined. Complexity of relationships. Some concepts might be too complex to describe adequately, making it harder for the model to draw conclusions. Despite these challenges, zero-shot learning is paving the way for more advanced AI systems. So, to sum it all up, zero-shot learning is a remarkable approach that enables machines to recognize and classify new concepts without needing prior examples. By leveraging attributes and features, we can create models that are more flexible and require less data, making AI more accessible and efficient. If you found this video interesting and want to learn more about AI and machine learning, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you encountered zero-shot learning in your work or studies? Share your experiences with us. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep learning and exploring the amazing world of technology. Bye for now.